Hello friends, welcome. Today we would like to introduce you our hair dryer. If you will see, this one has the 4 knobs here with diffuser and the stainless steel body. This one is actually the professional hair dryer for styling and setting. If you will see, this is practical design, quality, safety, function. Let's do the unboxing and see. Yes friends, have a look. If you will see, this one is a nice stainless steel design with the knobs, 4 knobs. If you will see here, cool, heat, speed. Here, have a look. This one, nice and beautiful with the diffuser, heavy stainless steel model. Nice long wire with VDE plug. Here, have a look friends.